Hey everyone! Welcome back to Realtecshop. Today, we're diving into the amazing HP 14 LED business laptop computer. If you're looking for a sleek, powerful, and versatile laptop, then stick around. This beauty is designed to meet all your business needs and more. It boasts a 14-inch LED display, providing you with crisp and clear visuals for all your work and entertainment. Under the hood, it packs a punch with 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick access to all your applications. Plus, you get a whopping 320 gigabytes of storage, 64 gigabytes eMMC, and an additional 256 gigabytes SD card. That's plenty of space for all your files, projects, and media. Powered by the Intel Quad-Core N4120 processor, this laptop handles everything from browsing to heavy-duty tasks with ease. And with Windows 11's, you get a secure and optimized operating system that's perfect for business. The HP 14 is not just about performance, it's also about style. It's sleek and professional. Design makes it a perfect fit for any business environment. As a bonus, this laptop comes with PLUSERA earphones. These earphones provide high-quality sound, making your video calls, music, and videos even more enjoyable. And let's not forget, you get a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365. Stay productive with all your favorite Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and powerful laptop, the HP 14 LED Business Laptop computer is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video.